Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off the picture-in-picture mode on your Apple iPhone. So it happens that when you minimize some applications, a small playhead is showing on your screen in a smaller window. So I'm going to show you how you can easily turn that off. So in order to begin, you'll have to open the settings application. Once you're in the settings, you can scroll down and find the option general. For me it's here. If it's not here, you can scroll down and find it. So we have to open the general, and now if you scroll down, you can see the option picture in picture. So click on it. Now we can see there's an toggle bar which you can turn off. So if you just turn that off, the picture in picture mode for any application will be disabled. So, and if you want that to be turned on, so you can click on this. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.